Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, so I didn't make a video in a long time. Guys. Okay. But yeah, someone asked me or sent me an email message to ask, does the beast work on the Nasdaq? Okay. So just to answer that question, okay, yes, indeed, the beast does work on the Nasdaq as well. Okay, simple rules, the normal rules like we do on the currency pairs, we follow on the Nasdaq as well if we trade the Nasdaq. Okay, so as you guys can see here, okay, we're currently in over 500 pips, okay, on the Nasdaq. And yes, we're in a live account, guys. It's on a live account. You're in a live account, not a demo. So to answer your question, yes, it does work. Indeed, it does work on the Nasdaq. Okay, so that is live proof in front of you. Okay, proof in front of you that it does work on the Nasdaq. Indeed. You know, the Nasdaq is very, very volatile. Okay, so we're not gonna hold on to this trade too long. Okay, we are gonna close it soon. And yeah, over 500 pips at the moment. So what else can I say, guys? That's the Nasdaq. That's the Nasdaq for you. Okay, and as you guys can see, okay, we're currently in a live trade and over 500 pips on the NAS. Okay, so it does work on the NAS, to answer your question. So I think I'll be closing off soon. Okay, we don't need to stay in this trade too long. Okay, as you can see, it's still dropping. Maybe I should hold on to it. Yeah, but we're not greedy. Okay, so there's some live proof that indeed it does work on the NAS. Okay, alright, so I'll catch you guys on the next video. What else can I say? This is Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now. Catch you guys later.